this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about weed control. You know, when you go to the hardware store or the garden center or the big box store, there are a ton of products and it's super confusing. You don't know what to do, what to buy, right? You look at them all, and what we tend to do is go with what's on sale or what has the biggest bottle or the most shelf space. I want to talk to you about Bonide and their product Deadweed Brew. Now, it's an organic product, and so when it comes to killing weeds, well, it works really well, and you can use it just about anywhere. First of all, you can use it on walkways, patios. You know, you get dandelions or weeds coming up in between your brick pavers. This will do the trick, and you just spray it on. And what's unique about this product is that it's Rainfast in 3 hours, right? So you're going to spray it, and maybe in the afternoon it starts raining. It's okay. It's already gotten into the ecosystem, you know, the ecosystem of the weed, and it killed it. And it went down inside there and did its job. But what's unique about this, because it's organic, you can use it around flower beds. You can use it around your vegetable garden. I mean, it's kind of amazing. You get weeds in there, you just take the little trigger spray, give it a little shot, and it kills the weed. Bonide's been around since 1926. And so when you think about all the different products that they make, they've been consistent with high quality stuff. I've had a relationship with them for a very, very long time. Actually, before they were advertising on my radio show or being part of our YouTube channel, I was using their products. And quite frankly, when it comes to the Captain Jack's products, their Deadweed Brew, and they have their Dead Bug Brew, I'll do some videos on those as well. If you're looking for a product that's going to work, that's safe for you and your family to use, but gets you results, then check out Captain Jack's Deadweed Brew. You're going to be amazed at the results. And then when you get done, do what I do. I spray it, I watch the weed, and I go, "Arr, matey, there goes the weed." If you'd like more information, you can go to your local garden center, the hardware store, or go to CaptainJacks.com. Arr!